Hi, thank you so much for checking out my profile. I am looking for some new clients to work with. I am making this quick video so that you can learn more about me and how I can help you. My name is Muhammad Naeem. I am an engineer and working as a freelancer at Upwork. I am an expert in PHP based web designing and web development and WordPress application developer, like conversion of PSD or XD design or Adobe Illustrator design into responsive HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Ajax. Then conversion of HTML into responsive WordPress using Adobe Dreamweaver, Twitter Bootstrap, WordPress, Visual Studio and other tools and frameworks. My core competency lies in the complete end-to-end management of new website development project. I am seeking opportunities to build website from scratch for you or your business. Over the last 6 years, I have developed a wide range of websites using PHP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Ajax and MySQL, including startup companies and small businesses. I am skilled in PHP, HTML, JavaScript, CSS frameworks and bunch of different design software. I would love to put my skills to work to create beautiful and user-friendly website for you. What I am going to offer for you: you will get complete responsive PHP based website with admin panel. You will get complete responsive e-commerce website. You will get complete responsive WordPress website. You will get complete responsive e-commerce WordPress website. You will get complete static responsive website. You will get web redesign and development. You will get search engine optimization and you will get complete CRM solutions. So at the end, I want to say, do you have a project and I can help with? Send me a message and tell me more. Contact me today so we can schedule a quick introduction call to ensure that I shall be a great fit for you. Thank you so much. I am excited to hear from you.